In this tutorial, we'll be covering irregular polygons. So what I chose for this lesson is to go and grab an image from Google. What I did is I just typed in Egyptian pyramid wallpaper and I was able to come up with a lot of these. And what you can do is you can right click on them to copy the picture and then paste it into the notebook file, or you can upload a file of your own. So what I want to showcase to my students on this is to be able to find the angles or the side lengths of this part of the pyramid. And irregular polygons allow us to do this more visually for our students. So if I come up to the Math Tools bar and hover over this area to select irregular polygons, it gives me a few options. The black one is just a black outline, and I'll show you what that looks like. So what we want to do for an irregular polygon is you want to select the vertices of the image that you are wanting to emphasize. So I'm going to start up here at the peak, and it creates a little black dot. And I'm going to come down here, and you can see that there is a black line starting to form. And we always want to end where we started. Now if I change to the arrow, I can select this and move it around, take it off to the side to emphasize it, things like that. So if you don't like the outline, there are other options as well. So if I go and select the irregular polygon tool, here's one that has some shading abilities. You can either choose the yellow with the red or the green with the dashed. So I want to emphasize this right side. So if I click on my vertices of the polygon that I want to create, always ending with the first one that I started with, now I've emphasized what that side of the pyramid looks like. I need to go back to my arrow so that I have selection options. So if I take this off to the side and select it, I can resize it to kind of showcase a little bit more of my writing. And I also have some options from the drop-down menu. So if we choose drop-down menu, I can show or hide the interior angles, and you can show how the angles pretty much stay the same no matter how much you zoom in and out. The other option that you can do is show or hide side lengths. And this would be a quick way to verify with students if they were finding the angle or they were finding the side length. This would be an option for you as well. And so then you could be able to do that if that's what you need. And that concludes the irregular polygon tutorial.